guys, wonderful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at Silver Lotus Events Place at Cubao to witness the love story of our newly wedded couple, Ray and Henny. Kaya samahan niyo ako guys, papakita ko sa inyo ang ating magiging playground for this wonderful celebration. Let's go! And now, this is our playground for this wonderful celebration of Ray and Henny. Let's go! And we also have performed memoria for our official perfume ball. And we have gorgeous gracers for our official grazing table for this celebration. Ang ganda guys. And our official coffee bar, the Loop Coffee. Yan, so ito yung mga outside suppliers natin dito guys. So let's enjoy the moment. The happily newly wedded couple at the hour. Let's give it up for Ka Ray and Ka Henny. Let's go! Once again, the newly wedded couple, Ka Ray and Ka Henny. Let's go! At sabay-sabay tayong bumati ng malakas na mabuhay ang bagong kasal in 3, 2, 1, and... Ayan guys, dinner time na ng ating bagong kasal. At ito po sila, nagkakagulo po sila. Ayan. Ang gaganda po namin.
Hati-hati tayo. Susunod ko kaday Marius.
Magandang advice sir. Kaya ang ginagawa namin. Joke lang. Pero wish namin sana masaya.
Let's go, Doc! Sir, gitna mo lahat, gitna! Sir Gavin! Lower! Thank you for choosing us to be part of this wonderful celebration ng inyong wedding day. Kaya po sa lahat po ng mga bisita, nais ko pong sabay-sabay tayong bumati ng malakas na congratulations in my cue. In 3, 2, 1, and...
Congratulations!
Palapala naman natin ang bagong kasal. Hindi ko dyan nagtatapos ang lahat. Kari and Kaheni, harapin niyo po ang isa't isa. Ang mga ninong ay nagbigay ng mensahe sa akin kanina na hindi ako makakalabas ng bulwagang ito nang hindi namin natutunghayan ang inyong 10-second long kiss. Kari, sa aking hudyat, ikaw ang lalapit sa iyong misis. At kami sabay-sabay napapalakpak at magbibilang ng 10 segundo. Dagdagan ko pa ba? 10 lang. Okay. Ready? Kari, you may now kiss your bride. 1, 2, 3, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Palapakan po natin, Kari and Ka Henny. Once again, congratulations and best wishes to the both of you. Bring me home.